Okay. In the Python programming language, we can use the built-in bin function to get the binary representation of a decimal number. It is very easy to compute that. For example, we create a variable, we can call it a decimal number, and we can assign, for example, the number 9. We assign 9, the numeral, the number 9. We can present the content of that variable using the print function decimal. Okay, we execute and we get the text representation of the contents of that variable in the console. Now I will add a print statement to add a blank line between these results. Now we need to create a second variable. We can call it binary number and assign the result of calling the bin function. Bin, as I have said previously, is an incorporated, is an built-in function in the Python programming language. The argument in this case will be a decimal number, a number in the base 10. So we can pass as argument the contents of the decimal number. In a print statement, we will present the contents of the binary variable. Binary number, precisely, that is the name of that variable. And we can execute. To execute this code, we push the yellow button, the play button, and we get the result. Here we get the binary representation for the 9 decimal number. We get 0b. That is the suffix to represent the binary number 0b, and then we get the string for the binary representation 1001. It is very easy using that function to convert a decimal number to a binary number.